I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English.
You should try this dessert. You should try this dessert. You should try this dessert.
You are my best friend. You are my best friend. You are my best friend.
He has a new car. He has a new car. He has a new car.
He works at a bank. He works at a bank. He works at a bank.
She is an excellent dancer. She is an excellent dancer. She is an excellent dancer.
She loves reading books. She loves reading books. She loves reading books.
It was an interesting book. It was an interesting book. It was an interesting book.
It is raining outside. It is raining outside. It is raining outside.
We are planning a trip to Europe. We are planning a trip to Europe. We are planning a trip to Europe.
We are going to the beach tomorrow. We are going to the beach tomorrow. We are going to the beach tomorrow.
They are waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus.
They are playing soccer in the park. They are playing soccer in the park. They are playing soccer in the park.
I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store yesterday.
I like to listen to music while working. I like to listen to music while working. I like to listen to music while working.
You can help me with this project. You can help me with this project. You can help me with this project.
You are very good at cooking. You are very good at cooking. You are very good at cooking.
He studies hard for his exams. He studies hard for his exams. He studies hard for his exams.
He enjoys watching movies on weekends. He enjoys watching movies on weekends. He enjoys watching movies on weekends.
She teaches English at a school. She teaches English at a school. She teaches English at a school.
She is always kind to everyone. She is always kind to everyone. She is always kind to everyone.
It is a beautiful flower. It is a beautiful flower. It is a beautiful flower.
It looks like a beautiful day. It looks like a beautiful day. It looks like a beautiful day.
We enjoy hiking in the mountains. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. We enjoy hiking in the mountains.
We have a meeting at 3 p.m. We have a meeting at 3 p.m. We have a meeting at 3 p.m.
They live in a small town. They live in a small town. They live in a small town.
They are visiting us next week. They are visiting us next week. They are visiting us next week.
I will call you later. I will call you later. I will call you later.
I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food.
You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job.
You should meet my friend. You should meet my friend. You should meet my friend.
I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day.
He's reading a mystery novel. He's reading a mystery novel. He's reading a mystery novel.
You can ask me anything. You can ask me anything. You can ask me anything.
She likes to bake cakes on weekends. She likes to bake cakes on weekends. She likes to bake cakes on weekends.
He plays the guitar very well. He plays the guitar very well. He plays the guitar very well.
It took me an hour to finish the homework. It took me an hour to finish the homework. It took me an hour to finish the homework.
She loves traveling to new places. She loves traveling to new places. She loves traveling to new places.
We are having dinner with family tonight. We are having dinner with family tonight. We are having dinner with family tonight.
It is getting colder now. It is getting colder now. It is getting colder now.
They are studying for their final exams. They are studying for their final exams. They are studying for their final exams.
We finished the project on time. We finished the project on time. We finished the project on time.
I enjoy going for a walk in the evenings. I enjoy going for a walk in the evenings. I enjoy going for a walk in the evenings.
They are learning how to swim. They are learning how to swim. They are learning how to swim.
You should join us for lunch tomorrow. You should join us for lunch tomorrow. You should join us for lunch tomorrow.
I will bring the snacks for the party. I will bring the snacks for the party. I will bring the snacks for the party.
He made a delicious dinner for us. He made a delicious dinner for us. He made a delicious dinner for us.
You always help me when I need it. You always help me when I need it. You always help me when I need it.
She always takes care of her plants. She always takes care of her plants. She always takes care of her plants.
He goes to the gym every morning. He goes to the gym every morning. He goes to the gym every morning.
It was the best day of my life. It was the best day of my life. It was the best day of my life.
She is very talented at drawing. She is very talented at drawing. She is very talented at drawing.
We love watching movies on Sundays. We love watching movies on Sundays. We love watching movies on Sundays.
It was a challenging puzzle to solve. It was a challenging puzzle to solve. It was a challenging puzzle to solve.
They invited us to their wedding. They invited us to their wedding. They invited us to their wedding.
We are excited about the concert. We are excited about the concert. We are excited about the concert.
I am preparing for my presentation. I am preparing for my presentation. I am preparing for my presentation.
They are cleaning the house together. They are cleaning the house together. They are cleaning the house together.
You can learn English faster with practice. You can learn English faster with practice. You can learn English faster with practice.
I bought a new pair of shoes. I bought a new pair of shoes. I bought a new pair of shoes.